2026 is bringing some seriously exciting cruisers. Fresh designs, bigger engines, and features riders have been waiting years for. Today, we're counting down the top 7 most anticipated cruiser motorcycles of 2026. Let's start the list with number 7. Starting off at number 7, we have the Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650. A cruiser that's becoming one of the most talked about upcoming models. The current version already impressed riders with its classic styling and smooth 648cc twin, and the 2026 update is expected to push things even further. Royal Enfield has been refining their 650 platform for years, and the Super Meteor is the most premium version of it. You get that relaxed cruiser posture, a low and comfortable seat, and a beautifully balanced ride that makes slow-speed handling feel effortless. Something mature riders really appreciate. The engine delivers calm, confident power. Nothing aggressive or overwhelming, just a smooth wave of torque perfect for city cruising or weekend rides. And because it's Royal Enfield, you can expect simple mechanics, easy servicing, and excellent fuel efficiency. For 2026, the anticipation is mainly around improved suspension tuning, refined electronics, and better touring comfort, small but meaningful upgrades that riders have been asking for. The Super Meteor 650 also carries that classic retro charm that Royal Enfield is famous for, but with enough modern touches to feel fresh and up-to-date. It's affordable, approachable, and stylish, all at the same time. If you're looking for a cruiser that delivers big bike presence without big bike complications, the 2026 Super Meteor 650 is definitely worth watching this year. Number 6. Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster. A cruiser that blends classic British style with modern refinement. The current Speedmaster already feels like a premium machine, and the 2026 version is expected to elevate that experience even further. Triumph's 1200cc high-torque twin is known for its smooth, predictable power delivery. Not aggressive, not rushed, just perfectly tuned for relaxed cruising. It gives you that strong low-end pull without ever feeling heavy or tiring, which is exactly what mature riders appreciate. The Speedmaster's standout quality has always been comfort. That low supportive seat, wide handlebars, and plush suspension make it one of the easiest big cruisers to ride for long distances. And for 2026, the anticipation is focused on improved ride modes, refined electronics, and a slightly more responsive throttle setup. Triumph is also expected to bring subtle styling updates, cleaner lines, better lighting, and small design touches that keep the Bonneville identity strong while giving it a fresh 2026 look. But what really makes the Speedmaster special is its personality. It's elegant without being flashy, powerful without being intimidating, and premium without being impractical. It carries that classic Bonneville charm, the kind of motorcycle that looks timeless on day one and still feels modern years later. If you want a cruiser that's calm, classy, and beautifully engineered, the 2026 Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster is one of the most anticipated updates worth watching. Number 5. Honda Rebel 1100 DCT SE. A cruiser that continues to redefine what effortless riding feels like. The current Rebel 1100 is already a favorite among mature riders because of its comfort, smooth power, and that brilliant DCT automatic transmission. And for 2026, expectations are even higher. This bike uses Honda's 1084cc parallel twin engine, the same reliable power plant found in the Africa Twin, tuned for strong low-end torque and calm, relaxed cruising. It's smooth, predictable, and perfectly controlled, making it one of the most enjoyable modern cruisers on the road. But the real magic is the DCT, no clutch, no shifting, no stress. Just twist the throttle and go. It's incredibly convenient for city riding, longer rides, and especially for mature riders who prefer comfort over constant gear changes. The SE Special Edition trim adds premium touches like better suspension, improved seating, and accessory upgrades that make the ride even more refined. For 2026, riders are expecting updated electronics, improved ride modes, and subtle styling enhancements to give the Rebel a sharper, more modern look. The Rebel 1100 DCT SE stands out because it's both powerful and friendly. A rare combination. It doesn't overwhelm you, but it definitely impresses you every time you ride it. It's practical, stylish, and one of the easiest big cruisers to live with. If you want a cruiser that does the hard work for you while still delivering that classic motorcycle feel, the 2026 Honda Rebel 1100 DCT SE is absolutely one to watch. Number 4. Indian Chief Dark Horse, a cruiser that brings pure American muscle with a modern attitude. The current Chief Dark Horse is already one of the boldest and most aggressive cruisers on the road, and the 2026 model is expected to push things even further. Powered by Indian's Thunderstroke 116 engine, this bike delivers that deep, thundering torque riders love. Strong at low RPM and unbelievably smooth at cruising speeds. It's a bike that doesn't rush, doesn't struggle, and never feels underpowered. The Dark Horse has always been known for its styling: matte finishes, blacked-out components, wide stance, and that iconic muscle cruiser silhouette. For 2026, riders are expecting updated LED lighting, refined bodywork, and more premium touches to elevate its dark, modern look. The ride quality is another highlight. The Chief Dark Horse offers a low seat height, neutral ergonomics, and well-tuned suspension that keeps long rides comfortable and stable. And with Indian's advanced tech, ride modes, smart traction control, and intuitive electronics, it gives you a perfect blend of old-school muscle and new-school control. Mechanically, the bike is solid and built for the long haul. Indian's Thunderstroke platform has earned a reputation for reliability, smoothness, and durability, making it a favorite among cruiser enthusiasts. If you want a 26 cruiser with presence, power, and premium craftsmanship, the Indian Chief Dark Horse stands out as one of the most anticipated machines of the year, and for good reason. Number 3. Harley-Davidson Low Rider S, a bike that has already built a massive fan base, and the upcoming model is generating even more excitement. The Low Rider S has always been Harley's definition of raw attitude, West Coast styling, and pure V-twin power. And 2026 is expected to refine that formula even further. Under the tank, you get the Milwaukee 8 117 engine, a powerhouse known for deep torque, instant throttle response, and that signature Harley rumble that no other bike can copy. It delivers power in a way that feels strong, smooth, and incredibly satisfying, especially for experienced riders. The Low Rider S stands out because of its aggressive riding position, mid-controls, higher bars, and a stance that gives you full control of the bike. It feels planted in corners, stable on the highway, and surprisingly agile for a muscle cruiser. For 2026, Harley fans are expecting sharper styling details, updated electronics, improved suspension tuning, and even cleaner performance to match the growing demand for premium American cruisers. The blacked-out look, the minimalist design, and the classic West Coast DNA make the Low Rider S feel bold and modern at the same time. This is a bike that isn't built to blend in. It's built to dominate the street. The Low Rider S continues to be one of Harley's most anticipated models every single year. And for 2026, the hype is bigger than ever. If you want a cruiser with attitude, heritage, and serious performance, the 2026 Low Rider S delivers all of that in one unmistakable package. Number 2. Harley-Davidson Street Bob 117, a lightweight, big-engine cruiser that riders are extremely excited to see next year. The Street Bob has always been Harley's most stripped-down, pure, no-nonsense cruiser. And now with the 117 engine, it's becoming one of the most anticipated models in the entire 2026 lineup. That Milwaukee 8 117 delivers massive low-end torque, effortless acceleration, and that unmistakable Harley rumble that mature riders love. It's powerful but never overwhelming, just smooth, deep, and incredibly satisfying on every twist of the throttle. What makes the Street Bob special is its simplicity. No excessive chrome, no bulky fairings, no overcomplicated electronics. Just a clean frame, a strong engine, and a lightweight body that feels surprisingly agile for a big V-twin. It's one of Harley's easiest big twins to handle, especially for riders who want power without the extra weight. For 2026, fans are expecting updated styling accents, sharper LED lighting, refined suspension, and smoother electronics. Small upgrades that make a big difference without ruining the bike's classic raw personality. The Street Bob 117 delivers that old-school Harley charm with modern reliability and performance. It's the kind of cruiser that feels playful in the city, stable on the highway, and iconic everywhere in between. If you want a Harley that keeps things simple while giving you the full power of the 117 engine, the 2026 Street Bob is easily one of the most exciting and anticipated cruisers coming next year. Number 1. Indian Sport Chief RT. The cruiser everyone's talking about and easily one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the upcoming year. The current Sport Chief is already a powerhouse, but the RT version takes that formula and pushes it into full touring territory. Indian's air-cooled Thunderstroke 116 engine delivers massive low-end torque and smooth performance, the kind of deep, effortless pull riders love on long open roads. But what makes the RT truly exciting is the upgraded comfort and touring package expected for 2026. A larger fairing, improved wind protection, better seating, and tuned suspension are all part of the hype surrounding this model. The Sport Chief RT blends muscle bike attitude with long-distance practicality. That means aggressive styling, premium materials, and a stance that looks bold even when standing still, but with the comfort to match. Indian's advanced electronics, ride modes, and updated safety features are also expected to make this one of the most refined cruisers in the heavyweight class. The reason it sits at number 1 is simple. Riders want a bike that's powerful, comfortable, modern, and still full of soul. The Sport Chief RT promises all of that in one package without losing the classic American V-twin character that makes these bikes special. If there's one cruiser that represents where 2026 is headed, more power, more comfort, and more style, it's the Indian Sport Chief RT. This is the bike everyone is waiting for, and the one that could redefine premium American cruising next year. So, which 2026 cruiser are you most excited for? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more motorcycle videos. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.